Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So on this video, I'm going to be sharing something very interesting and very important with you. Now, we all know that currently it's been a really difficult situation trying to get an appointment for legalization, declaration of value at the Italian embassy on the prenotami website. But as of last week, the embassy released something very good, which I think is actually the best way to get an appointment. The method has changed. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you what is the current situation, how to get an appointment for your declaration of value, legalization of documents at the Italian embassy if you are going for a study visa. Okay, so students, you need to hop on it as soon as possible. Now let's look into it. Now, when you should be very familiar with the website of the Italian embassy, the Consulate General of Italy in Lagos. So when you go to their website, you just scroll down. So if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post a video. And please don't forget to share, like this video. Thank you very, very much. So you see this notification here, which has been released is on the 27th of May 2025, online booking information reservations consular. So we click, so let's read more about it because this is where you find all the information that you require to book for an appointment. So, so here it says, starting from June 3rd, the way in which to book an appointment for consular service, excluding visas, changes. To book, you need to follow the following steps. Register an account on the portal Prenotami. To register an account, you need to fill out a form. Now, to register an account on Prenotami, I already have a previous video on that. Okay, so by now I think most students already have an account on prenotami. If you don't have, go watch that video. I'll put the link in the description box and see how to register on prenotami. Now when you register on prenotami, the email that you use to register on prenotami must be the email you will use to send a mail to this to the Italian embassy. If you use a different email to register on prenotami, or use a different data, maybe your name was different somehow on prenotami, and you use a different email to send, they will not respond to you. You will not get an appointment. Make sure the email address that you use to open on prenotami your account is what you will use to send the email to the embassy. So this is the email address. Okay, this doesn't look correct because I translated it to English. But when just click on it, okay? When you open your own phone or web or your laptop, make sure you click on it and then send the email. It's better you click down to copy. I think it's easier so you don't make an error on it. So it says here, so when you want to send the mail to this email address using your email on Prenotami, you will indicate the subject if it's legalization of documents, declaration of value. Okay, then you would attach the following documents. Okay, attach the following document. Now, in the case of request for declaration of value, that is what concerns you as a student. So your subject should be request for declaration of value. Say copy of qualifications obtained. All right, upload your WAEC. If you're going for BSc, upload your WAEC, your international passport biodata page, and also upload your pre-enrollment form if yours is out already. Okay, if you don't have yours already, upload the documents you have, but make sure you upload the documents, your school documents that you are asking the declaration of value for. If you are going for MSc, upload your WAEC or your NECO, upload your BSc transcript, upload your BSc original certificate, and also your pre-enrollment summary. Okay, it's going to be a very simple email. Oh, you greet, my name is this, I'm requesting declaration, the declaration of value is already a subject. I got admitted to this university. I'm requesting an appointment for declaration of value, and then below are my documents attached to this email. something short and simple. Okay, someone going to study abroad, you should be able to organize yourself on how to write a proper email. All right, so within 7 days, all right, after they verify that your email address is the same as prenotami and everything, they would send you a confirmation, okay, and give you a date. Currently, people are already booking, and the date as I speak to you is even already in August. Okay, it's already in August, so the earlier you send it, the better. Now, it says for an exhaustive list of documents to be presented, please refer to the pages dedicated on our website. Now, I say please note that this booking is free and can be obtained simply by following the steps described above. Now, another thing I want to also say here, in case you do not live in Lagos, it said you can delegate any person, agents, family, friends to present yourself at the appointment on your behalf. Okay, so in case you do not live in Lagos, you can actually, when you are sending that email, make sure you indicate that, oh, this person will be coming to submit these documents on my behalf. All right, make sure you indicate that, so agents, family, and friends can actually submit your documents for you. And I think they should also be able to what, pick it up. Like I said before, currently with pre-enrollment form, your declaration of value is free of charge. You only pay for your birth certificate, which costs about 59,200 thereabout. Okay. Now, don't say you will not send an email because your summary is not out. Send an email still. If it comes out before your summary is out, good. Now, if it doesn't come out, if you have the money to pay, pay. Okay, because like I said, is already dates are already in August, and school should be resuming in September. So you don't want to be behind time, even as much as time has really gone. Um, like time is really going, but it's all right. I pray that everyone is able to meet up, and I want to be able to get testimonies at the end of the day that, oh, I was finally able to get my visa. So for me, I think this method is way easier than all the sleepless night that we had trying to always look at the portal to be able to book an appointment. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video. I have a Telegram group. That's where I offer my guidance and assistance to students. All right, and if you're coming across this video, you want to prepare against next academic session, I think this is the best time for you to start. Do not wait till next year or till the end of the year. All right, so make sure that your documents are already translated, authenticated, you have everything intact. I have previous videos on how to arrange your documents, what it should be. Please do well to go and watch them. Thank you very much. God bless you. I'll see you in another video. Bye.